Welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are great. So today I'm going to show you this cute lady fridge magnet. On the occasion of Women's Day special, let's make this cute women's fridge magnet. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So to do this lady fridge magnet, we need a thread, clay, some molding tool, glue, scissors. Okay, so what I have done is I have cut this thread into two pieces like this and took my light brown color clay and make a teardrop out of it. Once we make a teardrop, we have to take this tool and make a hole, insert it inside and make a hole. Put little glue and insert your thread to make her shoes. So once we put this thread, roll it out and make sure it is secure from upper side. So now we have these two shoes or legs of this lady, and what I am going to do, just roll it out like this, flatten it up and cut the excess with the help of scissors. So first I will just mark it where I have to cut. So this much I want to cut it. So I'll take my scissors and cut it from the bottom. So we got this two legs of this lady. Now I'm going to make her face. So roll this light color clay and make a ball. Flatten it little bit, the round shape, and we'll get her face. So I have this face and I took a little clay to make her neck too, and also I took light bottle green color clay and made a teardrop out of it and made her body, and with the help of this knife I made a design. So I'm just going to make two holes with the help of this tool and insert her legs first with the help of glue. So I'll take this. Here we go. Her body is ready. Now I'll take this face and the neck, and I have inserted toothpick inside her face. So I'll just glue this toothpick, the part which is going to go inside, and I'll insert this into this her body. So now we'll take red color clay and roll it with this rolling pin. I have taken a bottle lid. You can take a round cutter and make 6 round out of it. So once you get this 6 rounds, remove the petals like this and take your knife tool and put some lines on it to give a texture. So once you finish this texture, you'll get somewhat this shape, and what you have to do, you have to just pinch the upper part of this petal, and we have to make her frock. So I have made 6 petals like this and pinch it out from the upper side. So now we are going to stick it on her body. First I'll stick 3 petals and then rest 3 petals. So to stick this petal, I'll glue all of them and stick one by one. Once you stick these 3 petals, you have to stick 3 more petals, making a distance in between them and sticking them in between 2 petals. Here we go, her dress is ready. So let it dry for a while. Now we'll make her hairs. So what I have done is taken a dark brown color clay and roll it like this. So we got this front hairs of this doll. So once we get this front part, what we are going to do, we are going to take this knife tool and line it, make a lines, fine lines like this, and whole hairs are ready. So I will just stick with the help of glue now. In this way we stick her front part of hairs. So we have to join both the parts like this. To make a string, small string, I'll make use of this my palm and make small string hair like this from her ear to next ear, and the excess one I'll cut it with the help of scissor. Like this. Now what I'm going to do is take a white clay and do like this and place it on her body, and the excess I'm going to cut it off with the help of scissors. And cut the excess. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take a cream color clay and make her hands like this, which we are going to place it near to the shawl and fold it in between the center. Going to place in this way her hands. Now I'm going to stuck this flower with the leaf on her frock, and our doll is ready. So let her dry for 12 hours, and at the back you can stuck this magnet with the help of super glue. So, and make her eyes similarly, and your fridge magnet, lady fridge magnet, is ready. Try out this art and tell me how you have experienced in the comment section. Watch my next video in this manner. Bye till now. See you next time.